Question 16. The shaded part of the model represents a fraction. Okay, so that right there is your first step, guys. I'm sure a lot of people missed this one because it's confusing, but in a way it really isn't. If you read the question and then answer the question according to what it says. The shaded part of the model represents a fraction. Okay, so all you're looking at this point, or all you should be looking at, is the shaded part. Just like anything, if you have a pie and you have this, okay, you're looking at the shaded part. So in this case, it would be 1 over 4 because you cut it 4 ways. In this case, you cut it 15 ways, and you have shaded in 11. Okay, so that's what you begin with. And then the second part of that word problem says another fraction was subtracted from the first fraction. So then they took a fraction out. So obviously that tells you subtract. So we know it's going to be subtract. Right now, with what the information you have, you should be able to go over there and isolate or take away two questions, two answer choices that are not even anywhere near what you've already placed on the board. So the 11/12 will not work because that doesn't even come close to the 11/15, and the 6/15 won't work either. So now you're left with a 50-50 chance of getting it right. Now it says subtract a fraction. So guys, and I know it doesn't say it, but when you put an X through something, that usually tells you that you got rid of it, or you completed it, or it's gone, or whatever. That's always a signal that means that it's gone. So in this case, how many did you get rid of? You got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got rid of 6. 6 of the 15 that you had. Okay? Alright, so that's what you got rid of. And then you go into the questions and you're saying, well, it's not there. My answer's not there. So you look at it again and you ask yourself, okay, well, have I simplified everything? In this case, you would simplify this one because the 11/15 has a prime number and we know that that won't reduce anymore. So you ask the question, does 6 go into 15? First question, just when you start simplifying. And your answer is no. So then you go to your multiples. So you go to your factors. So you ask, does 2 go into 6? Yes, it does. 2 times 3, but 2 times nothing will give you 15. So you can't use 2. Okay, so you can literally do this. And this one is, you can't do 2, but you can do 3 times 5. Okay, so at this point you have your common factors right there looking at you in the face. 2 didn't work out, but 3 does. So you divide by 3. 3 goes into 6 2 times, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. There's your simplified. Now it fits with J.